If the Chime app says your card is expired even though you're still using it, the problem is usually caused by an old card still being linked to your account, an app sync issue, or a replacement card that hasn't been activated correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and get your Chime card working again. Start by checking the expiration date printed on your physical card. If that date has already passed, you'll need to activate the replacement card Chime sent you before you can continue using your account normally. If your physical card hasn't expired, open the Chime app and refresh your account. Temporary syncing issues can cause outdated card information to appear even when your account is in good standing. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Chime app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install any available updates. App updates often fix account display and card management issues. If you recently received a replacement card, activate it before trying to make purchases. Until activation is complete, the app may continue showing messages related to your previous card. You should also confirm that any saved payment methods have been updated. If your old Chime card is still saved in online stores, subscription services, or digital wallets, those payments may continue failing because they're using expired card details instead of your current card. If the message appears only inside the app, sign out of your account, close the app completely, and sign back in. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache on Android, or reinstall the app on either Android or iPhone to remove outdated app files. Also check whether your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the app from loading the latest account information, making it appear that your card status hasn't changed. If you've completed all of these steps and the app still reports that your card is expired, contact Chime support. They can verify whether your active card is correctly linked to your account, confirm the card status, and identify any account-specific issues that cannot be fixed from your device. To recap, verify your card's expiration date, activate any replacement card, update the Chime app, refresh your account, update saved payment methods, reinstall the app if needed, and contact Chime support if the expired card message doesn't go away. Your next step is to check whether you're using the correct active card in your account. If this guide helped you solve the problem, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Chime troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.